Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, today I want to cover a few things. Of course, we're going to show you some results from myself and from our teammates that's in the Facebook group. I'm going to be covering today just a few things I've noticed since I got started with people that have joined me, just some things that they need a heads up on as far as what emails they should expect, how they may look when they come in your inbox, that type of thing. So I'm going to kind of call this like a get started video. Okay, so when you get started, kind of what to expect on that end. All right, guys, so you've probably heard about the 10x income system. It's an all-in-one done-for-you system, the 3-step method. Okay, you get this whole system, and it allows you, when you share your link, your reseller link, to make $297 commissions. The commissions are paid instantly and directly from the person that joined you. There's no middle person. The company's not going to send you a commission, any of that. It's going to be paid directly to you. Okay, and there, what everybody is loving about the system that's very attractive is that they do the marketing for you. They set up the system for you. They build your website for you. Okay, you're going to buy your traffic and they're going to do the marketing for you. Okay, that's what everybody's so attracted to the system. That's why they're attracted to the system. Now, this page you're seeing is your website page where you're going to watch this 9-minute video. It explains it. This is what people are seeing, and this is why they're signing up. 9 minutes, and you're good to go. So get started, get your system. My link to sign up would be www.besteasyworkincome.com. I'm going to put that link below for you. All right, so this page is awesome. You click this button here. I think it's on here a few times. And you get started. 3 steps. Okay, so there's some simple instructions once you get started in the membership area that you're going to follow, and then they will take it from there. And that's why I want to cover some things with you. Made some notes, and this may help you once you get started to kind of follow, because a lot of people I've seen post these things in the group, or even people that have joined me have called and said, oh, well, I didn't see my email and all that stuff. So we're going to get to that in a minute. So let me show you some results real quick, and we'll go into the Facebook group. Okay, so when I receive a commission, it says super checkout. Let me just refresh this page so you can see right here. Okay, let's see. Let's go down here. September 20th is when payments, I started receiving commissions. Within the last week, well, the week of, what was last week? Let's take a look here. Let me look at my calendar. The week of the 4th, okay? So the week of the 4th, the 5th right here, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sales so far for the week. Okay, there was 2 that came in on the 5th, 1 on the 7th, and 2 on the 8th. Okay, so these are some of my results thus far. 16 commissions that I've received. Okay, so let's go take a look at the group, and then I want to get to these emails. Okay, hang on. Okay, we're in the group, and the group is growing by leaps and bounds. We're at 906 members. Okay, when I got started a couple weeks ago, it was only 300 and something. It's 906 members. These are paid members. Okay, now real quick, I want to click on this post that the CEO posted a few hours ago, and she states here that over $300,000 in commissions have been paid out, and she's showing proof right here of 1,000 members that's buying traffic and signing up. Okay, so this thing is growing like wildfire. All right, so let's take a look at some results of some people here. Hang on. Okay, these are current posts. This is not old stuff from months ago. Take a look here. Congratulations to Noah. Looks like he's on vacation, and he says this is October 10th. This is Sunday. Okay, this is Sunday. that he had 2 sales, looks like, came in on Sunday. So congratulations to Noah. All right, let's keep going down here. I'm going to show you a few of these. Let's see here. Here's one. Congratulations to Courtney. I love the sales that come in the middle of the night at 3:17 a.m. Okay, she had a sale that came in while she was probably sleeping at 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, these sales can come in at random times because the marketing they're doing with the Google ads, people all over the world are on the line searching for a way to make money online, right? And they find, and your link is in the rotator. So as that thing is going through the rotator, whatever link is up next, someone clicks it and they hit the button to pay, that's who it goes to, and it just keeps going, guys. So 3:17 in the morning. So congratulations to Courtney. All right, let's look at a few more. Here's one from Patrice. Congratulations, Patrice. She said she was watching TV and relaxing on Sunday. And boom, October 10th, $297 came in. Congratulations to her. All right, and let's keep going. It's showing you guys these are results of people, okay, not just myself, other folks, their success they're having. Congratulations to Trini. Man, the 10X system just keeps on coming in. I'm loving it. Okay, she says, Tabby D, you are a life changer. And there's her proof, October 9th. Okay, that sale came in. Okay, so let's keep going through here. You'll see a lot of posts of people saying they got their link. They're really excited because they received their link. And once you get your link, then you can buy your traffic. Okay, so that's why you see the excitement. So let's just keep going here. I'm going to show you one or two more, and I want to get to something. Okay, congratulations to Nubian Queen. Oh my God, this system is the dream I've been waiting for. Today I made 2 sales. And then she says I'm on my 3rd sale. So that's 3 sales within 48 hours from the Nubian Queen. Congratulations to her. Okay, that's me making a post where I talked about the 5 sales I've gotten so far for the week. Let's show you another one, then I want to get into something here. All right, let's keep going. Here we go. Congratulations to Katrina. Just got another payment. Saturday, October 9th. She did a screenshot. There it is, $297. Awesome, awesome. Okay. And guys, when you join me, also, I'm going to be putting together an email so I can give you a link. If you want a flyer like this, put your picture on it. You can post this flyer online. Okay. So these are some things that people are doing as well. So here's another one. So this is a cool little flyer that you can post. So I'll put that link in the welcome email once you join me. All right, here is another one. Nathaniel, congratulations. The system just keeps blessing us over and over. So I'm coming home from watching our school team. And he says, boom, $297 hit my account. Trust me, there's been days in my life where I didn't make $300 in a week. So I never take anything for granted. I look forward to seeing many more lives changed by this life-changing opportunity. That's awesome. I love to see these type of success and testimonies. All right. So let's go and let me cover some notes that I want to go over with you guys. Okay. Okay. All right. What I have found, and I'm getting these questions and things coming up from people once they join. You want to create you a PayPal or a Stripe account. Okay. So you want to do that. Make it a business account. A lot of people, I don't think, had done that in the beginning. So they were kind of lost when they paid, and they were like, okay, what do I do now? So make sure you do that. Okay. And you're going to need to know, guys, how to copy and paste, because you're going to have to copy and paste some sensitive information from your Stripe or your PayPal account. And you're going to have to take that over into the back office and provide it to the 10X Income System support team so they can build your website. So you must do that, know how to do that. And I recommend a laptop or desktop. A lot of people are having trouble trying to copy and paste links and things from the tablet or their phone. So they're finding it easier to do it with a laptop or desktop. Okay. All right. And if you don't have one, guys, the library, you can go there and use the library. It's free. You use the computer. All right. So make sure you know how to copy and paste Okay. All right. The other thing is the emails. A lot of people, and I'm even seeing it post in the group, well, hey, I didn't get my link, or they miss the emails, because I think a lot of people were looking, and I was one as well. I thought I would get it from the 10X income system. Like I got the congratulations email initially, but it's going to come from an individual. Mine happens to be Ashley. She sent me one. Let me kind of show you guys what it looks like when once you make your payment, you want to go in your you go in your email, check your spam, and look for your welcome or congratulations email. You've got to have that first. That's first step, because it has your login information, and you have to log into the system so that you can activate your website. You got to provide this information. Okay, so let me show you kind of what it looks like. Okay, this is kind of what it would look like, guys. Right here it says the 10X income system. This is the welcome or congratulations to becoming a member. So that's what you want to check your email for first. Check your spam folder. This is your login. You got to have that. That's number one. Okay, then your next email is going to be the one that has your link in it. And like I said, mine came from Ashley, and it said 100% automated income system, and it had my name in the title, the subject. This is what was in the subject. So look for something like this, 100% automated income system with your name. It may be Ashley, it may be someone else. So look for that in your spam or junk folder, and this is where your link is. You need that link to log into your back office to activate your account so they can build your website. Okay, very important information. Now, once you do that, then you take that information, that link, go in the back office and activate your account. All right, that's where the 7-day period could come in. It may take 7 days for you to get your link. Okay, that's the waiting period. So this is not a system that's going to be set up immediately. So if you're in a hurry to get a link, this is not it. Okay, so 7 days to get that referral link, and then once you get the link, you go and order your traffic. That's another 7-day window, okay, where they're going to tell you your link is in rotation so your traffic can get started. Okay, so be on the lookout for those emails. And the traffic packages, let me show you those real quick, and they're 60 days. Okay, these traffic packages are for 60 days. Let me show you those real quick. Okay, I'm in my back office here. Okay, and you click to the left, it says traffic suite. This is where you're going to order your traffic. For an example, so once you get your link, after you waited 7 days, you come back here, click traffic suite. You click on whatever package you're going to get. Let's say you're going to choose this one. You go here, and it asks you for information, name, email, phone number, and right here it says, what's your 10X reseller link? You must have your link to paste in there, and then you order your traffic. Okay, then after that, it'll be another 7-day window to get the email to tell you your link is in rotation. Okay, and going forward, all you're going to need to do is just keep coming back here buying traffic. Okay, now what I've decided to do is I'm going to take it a little further. Everybody that joins me, I'm putting together this email that's going to include how to set up your Stripe, how to set up your PayPal account. Okay, I'm going to include a video for each one of those and some other pertinent information you may want to pay attention to in regards to your payments. All right, and I offer one-on-one support for everybody that joins me. You're able to contact me after you join with any questions that you may have. Okay, now I have also real quick postcards for anybody that's interested in mailing postcards. I have custom postcard. I'll send you the link once you join. Just email me and I'll get that over to you. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day. Be safe out there.